Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with eBay Partner Network in USA step by step clearly. To register with the eBay Partner Network, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the eBay Partner Network website. Click on the Sign Up button usually found at the top right of the page. Select your country as the United States, if necessary. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Enter your display name, which will be visible to others. Provide your first and last name in the appropriate fields. Fill in your address, including your city, state, and zip code. Enter your phone number for verification purposes. Select your preferred payment method for earnings. Review and agree to the terms and conditions of the eBay Partner Network. Complete any additional fields that may appear, such as website or promotional method details. Click on the Join Now or Submit button to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from eBay. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your eBay Partner Network account. Start exploring the tools and resources available to affiliates. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available links. Set up your tracking information for earnings. Begin promoting eBay products to start earning commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.